express is the total failure of the garbage treatment plant that is operating in Saligaon on the plateau. We were given to understand that we would have a state-of-the-art garbage processing facility, and it would be a self-financing mechanism and producing power to add to the state grid. But today, the whole thing has become a failure, and a plant which was supposed to cater to 100 tons of waste is today handling 150 tons, 150 trucks a day. And if we just take that each truck brings only 2 tons of waste, म्हणजे 300 टन वेस्ट आज या गार्बेज ट्रीटमेंट प्लांटान भितर सरता. आणि जेन्ना आमकां तेन्ना CM मनोहर पर्रीकरान सांगिल्लें की this will be only for Kalangut and Saligaon. Today we have a list given by the Pollution Control Board themselves where they are catering to some villages as far as Pende and all the other surrounding villages. We have no problem. Garbage management is a good thing that needs to be done. But when a facility is provided for a particular capacity and if you overload it, it leads to the total disruption, and that facility is today absolutely in a mess. The high-powered committee appointed by the High Court, which includes some prominent architects and some prominent citizens, in an inspection has observed all this, what is going on there, and the Pollution Control Board has, by a direction dated 24th December 2018, Poiruts, not even a month ago, issued them a show cause notice, and you can take a copy of this if you want, wherein they have listed 16 points where the waste treatment facility has become a total failure in terms, not only they are not monitoring the ambient air quality, they are not segregating the waste that is coming into the plant. So all the project of getting the RDF sold, all the thoughts of generating power, all the big promises of that being a state-of-the-art facility have today come to zero. And the worst fears of the people of Saligaon have come true. You must have seen on Sunday, widely reported, the Saligaon Gram Sabha was in turmoil because of this mess. It has been widely reported. There was a resolution from the Komunidad of Saligaon opposing this plant because this type of facility was not suitable for Goa in 2013. And we had addressed a press conference in Saligaon on 8th September 2013, mentioning why we are apprehensive of this type of a facility. Today, and the late Dr. Wilfred D'Souza was present at one of the press conferences, and he had warned that this type of a facility would only lead to the destruction of that pristine hillock of Saligaon.